Alright, so this is the first video that I've done for House and Planning's wood turning stuff. So I'm getting my new lathe today, so I'm really excited about that. But my shop is in kind of disarray and I've got to pick it up. So I kind of want to walk you around currently, and then I might make a video afterwards and potentially when the lathe gets here. So yeah, here we go. Here is lathe I have now. I've got it all wrapped up. This is what I turn on currently. It is a Craftsman 1980s-ish lathe, 12-inch swing. Means how large diameter I can get on it. Comes with a half horsepower motor. The lathe I'm going to get, the Nova, is going to be a 1.5 horsepower, so it's going to give me a lot more power, along with being a 16-inch swing over the beds, which is going to give me a lot larger capacity, also being a lot more stable than this. You see, I got an old plywood and kind of a 2x6 stand, so it gets kind of shaky if I put anything heavy on it. So I'm pretty excited to have a much more sturdy lathe. Alright, so for the rest of it, I got a bunch of tools under here, just kind of stuff. And then on top I've got my bandsaw where I cut out some of my pieces that can't fit just as is. You know, sometimes they're over 12 inches wide and I've got to cut it down here, or use my chainsaw to do so. And I've got my and then Miss Haley, my wife's scroll saw. She does some little toys and she'll be working on that. That's gonna be super exciting. I really like her stuff. Sharpen tools. That little piddly thing is all I got right now. I gotta upgrade to an 8-inch grinding wheel, which we will do in the future. Got all my tools on the side of the stand. Over here we've got a bunch of wood, and then I've got my pen supplies and like glues and finishes, all that good stuff in there. A couple extra tools and stuff like that. Micro mesh, which I use for the pins and rings. Some more, yeah, more wood compressor, and I've got a lot of maple and a little bit of sandpaper in there, kind of stacked up. So yeah, pretty pieces, some big red oak pieces, and then I have a good bit of sapele, some Osage orange here, and I still don't know what this is. Not quite sure, but black walnut. This is that Purple Heart, and some more black walnut, a little bit of red oak. Lows. Get a little more maple over here, and some poplar, weed eater. A little more Osage orange. So I had to make some stuff out of that. That's what I made that little live edge bowl out of. So that was pretty nice. So yeah, give you a wide angle shot of it. That is where we are for the moment. All tools hung up, a couple lights. Yeah, excited to see where we go from here.